So today we had Intel and Andy Street from the West Midlands Combined Authority join us to actually launch our course. And it's to deliver AI curriculum. And we're so excited with this curriculum. You know, we've been working with Intel now since September to make sure the skills are there for the residents to get into jobs. We're just so happy about this and really amazed, and we can't wait. So Netcom Training are a digital skills training provider. We do a vast amount of courses. We have data analytics, we have cybersecurity, we do infrastructure support. We work with a number of employers, and the reason we build our courses is looking out for vacancies that are available to ensure that our learners are getting the right, correct skills that they need. And we are proud to ensure that our courses meet the needs of the employers. Netcom's been doing this for 11 years now, and we're delivering these courses now in different regions, and we have a successful track record. If anyone's interested in our courses, you can visit our website and all the course details are there. You can apply for the course, you can see when the courses are starting. We've got a number of courses starting over the year, and it's tailored around people's flexibility as well. So, if you are working, we've got evening courses, we've got daytime courses. I think it's about moving people into jobs, which is the key important part of this. That's what Netcom's about.